Dear student, in this video we are going to learn to write the given set of integer in various order. These order are descending order. So we have to write the given group of integer in descending order. So firstly we see the first part. In this part there are some negative integers and some positive integer and 0 is also there. So firstly, to deal this type of question, we will group positive integer and negative integer separately. So firstly, I have to write the group of positive numbers. So the positive number are in group 1, those are 15 and 18. 15 and 18. Now the group second will be of negative numbers. So I will write here group 2, and what are the negative numbers? -2, -10 and -13. So -2, -10 and -13. Now you will see 0 is also present there, that is not positive and also not negative. So now we have to write these group of integer into descending order. When we write descending order, we will write the greatest number at the first position, and then after that on the second position I will write the smaller than the first position, and so on. So we know that the group 1 integer, those are positive, are greater. So firstly I will consider group 1 and I will write the greatest number from the group 1 at the first place. So in order to write the descending order, I will write it short DO. So the first number is 15. After that 18. Now then I will write 0. After that I will take the negative group, that is group number 2. This here the three integer -2, -10 and -13 are there. We know when the negative integers are there, whose numerical value is smaller, that is greatest, and whose numerical value is greatest, that is actually smallest. So whose numerical value is greatest here? -13. Therefore this is smallest. So where I will have to write this? I will write this at the end, and -2 I will write at the very first number, because this is greatest among the three negative integers, and -10 will be in the middle. So this is my answer. Now I will verify this answer with the help of number line. Now you can see this is the number line. You see that descending order. For descending order we will move toward left side. So firstly if I take 15, here you can see that 15 that we have decided that is greatest is on the rightmost end. This is 15. After that 8, this is on the left from 15. After that 0, then -2, after that -10 and then -13. So as we move from 15 to 13, the direction is toward left side, and it is clear that as we move toward left, then the order is going on decreasing for the integers. So it justifies our answer. Now in the second part again we will make the group 1 and group 2. So the group 1 is of positive integers and group 2 is of negative integer. So we have to write the 42, 64 and 4. As we have to write in greatest descending order, so I will write 64, after that 42, and after that 4. Now, and in the group 2, that will include negative integers, and I have to write in the descending order, so I will write the minus 50 at first place, after that minus 26, then minus 3. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and one integer is 0. Now I will write them in the descending order. So firstly I will take the integer from the group 1. So at the first place 64, second place 42, third place 4. After that I will write 0 and then minus 50 or minus 3. Decide. Minus 50 is having highest numerical value, therefore this is the smallest. So we will not make this type of mistake now. So we will not write this at this position, and we will write minus 3, then minus 26 and then minus 50. So this is the correct descending order. I will write this again: 64, 42, 4, 0, minus 3, minus 26 and minus 50. This is the final answer. Now on the third question, here again I will make the group 1, group 2. Now group 1 is of positive integer 80, 82 and 18. So 82 and 80 and 18. So this is the greatest, after that smaller and then smallest. Here in this given group there is 0 absent. It means 0 is not there as the earlier one questions. Okay, now I will write the group 2, those that will include negative integers. Now minus 30, minus 90 and minus 25. Now descending order will be, firstly I will write the greatest value. The greatest value is 82, after that 80, then 18. Now the question regarding negative integer of group 2. Now which is the greatest integer in these three? Here the numerical value, whose numerical value is smallest, that is actually greatest. So minus 25 is greatest, after that minus 30 and then minus 90. So this is the required answer. Now part 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 6 integers are there, some are positive and some are negatives. Therefore I will make the group 1 of positive ones and group 2 of negative ones. Now which are the positive integers? 116, 161. Yes, only 2 positive integers are there. And how many negative integers are there? Minus 106, minus 601, minus 160, minus 611. Now descending order, which is the greatest 161 and which is the smallest 116. Now the question is in the group 2 that includes negative integers. Here, which is the greatest one? Whose numerical value is smallest, that is greatest. So whose numerical value is smallest? 106, 601, 160 and 611. So 106 is the least numerical value. Therefore, I will write 106 at first place. After that, minus 160. Then minus 601 or 11. No, minus 601, 11. And then 601 and minus 611, that is smallest. So I will write this again, 161, 116, then this is 106 and this is 160. These are, and this is 600 and this is also 600. This is 601, 611. So whose numerical value is smallest, that is greatest. So whose numerical value is greatest? 106 or 160? 106. After that 160. Now this is 601 and this is 611. So whose numerical value is greatest, then that is smallest. So minus 611 is smallest and minus 601 will be there. This is the required answer. Student, in this video you can see all the questions we have solved to arrange the given set of integer in descending order.